So now let us solve the fourth problem on this array, that is we are solving top 50 array coding problem again. So the fourth problem is you need to sort the array. Again, so much simple. So you will be given the array, you need to sort it, right? You need to sort it. So again, you can do in two formats. Either you can do manually, that means you can use like bubble sort or insertion sort, selection sort. There are like tens of at least 10, there are at least 10 sorting techniques we have. So you can use anything based on time complexity, right? Bubble sort, the insertion sort, selection sort will take big of n square. Again, heap sort and merge sort, quick sort, tree sort will take big of n log n time. And there is a count sort, bucket sort, again these take big of n time. So but always remember, if it is taking n time, that means time complexity is reducing, right? Because you are reducing from n square to n. In bucket sort and count sort, the time complexity will be drastically reduced. But you need to remember, it is a index based sorting, that means space will be consumed more. So let us forget about that now. Again, our intention is to sort this array, right? Sort this array. How you can do it? You can use the HTL library. It is a sort library. There is a library called algorithm, and inside that you have SORT, sort. So let me sort, let me try whether it will work or not. It should work. So array arr dot end, and let me return. I need to return the vector vector. Sorry, I need to return arr. So let me run. So again, they will be giving me the vector, and they will be giving me the size of the vector. So I have used this inbuilt library, sorry, the algorithm library. From the algorithm library, I am taking this sort build inbuilt function. So I am running. So let us see whether it will work or not. So it is working, right? It is matching. If I submit, it will work. So let us submit. So again, I am going to solve this problem using bubble sort. So again, you need to remember, so this technique, right, it will use like 2 or 3 sorting techniques it is going to use. So if you think the manual coding is what it is most, like you writing bubble sort or any other sorting technique, if you think that is optimum, so that is not the case. This is the most optimum code that you can ever write on sorting technique, because it uses 3 different sorting techniques. So again, you can search it on Google and you will find it. So this is the most optimum. So but still I will show you the bubble sort. So before that, let me open OneNote and let me explain you how bubble sort will actually work. So imagine you have an array, right, and it is not sorted, and this is 5 6 5 2 1. So this is what the array you have. You need to sort this, right? Ascending order. In ascending order you need to sort. So that means what you can do is you compare this and this. So 6 is greater than 5, right? So swap it. That means 5 6 2 1, right? Again you compare this and this. So 6 is greater than 2. Yes, use again swap, right? Swap. So your objective is bring the most, like, greatest element down. Bring the greatest element down. In turn, what I can say is you are bringing the lightest element, that is the smallest element, up. Let me sort this. Let me swap this. 5 2 6 1. Again I need to compare this to, and again I need to swap, because 6 is greater than 1. If I add 10 here, then I will be not sorting, right? I will be not sorting. So let me consider 10 here. So 10 here. So now I don't need to sort. This 6 and 10 I will compare. So since 6 is less than 10, you don't swap. You keep it as it is. That means in one iteration, what you are doing is, right, you are settling an element down, right? the biggest element you are settling it down. So again, in next time what you are going to do, again 5 2 6 5 2 6 10 6 10. Let me again write a box here. So it is already sorted, 10 is already sorted. Compare these two. Again 5 is greater than 2. Again swap 5 6 10. Again compare these two. Compare these two. Again 5 is what? Less than 6. So don't do anything. Don't do anything. So again, now I need to compare this and this, right? So you can compare this. There is no problem here. You can compare this. Again, it will not work actually, right? 6 is already less than 10. So my question is, should you do this, right? Should you do this? No, right? It is already sorted. The last element is already sorted. So write a code or for loop which will not reach to this position itself. Right? I will write the code further. So don't worry. Again these two are sorted now. These two are sorted. Now 2 5 6 10 I have. 2 5 6 10 I have. I have already sorted these two. Now again compare. 2 is less than 5. So don't do anything. That means don't swap. So 2 is here, 5 is here, 6 is here, 10 here. Should you compare this and this again? Sorry, should you compare this one and this one? Answer is no. You don't need to. It's already sorted. Why you will compare this, right? So now you have you have sorted till here, right? Till here you have sorted. So that means you have sorted the complete array. So again I have another question. So what if you have already a sorted version? 2 3 1 2 3 4 you have. Whether this will be compared? Yes, it will be comparing, right? Your code may compare this one. Again it will do all these steps what I have done. So again the time complexity may increase. So what I can do is I will set a flag. In coding I will do that. I will set a flag. If it is already sorted, then I am not going to sort again. I will not even break out of the for loop. That is what I am going to do, right? I will save the time. So this bubble sort has some characteristic. That means by itself it is not it is not optimum code by itself. By using flag you can make it as an optimum code, right? There are again many sorting techniques. I will recommend you to please study all these sorting techniques, right? That is what about the bubble sort. So let me write a code for this. So for int I is equal to 0, I less than n minus 1. Why you are going till last, right? You may have this question. Why you are not going till n minus 1? Answer is, again I will be sorting here itself, right? I will be sorting this here where I have written. So I will be sorting. So at this point what you are getting is at 10 will be sorted. So again you don't need to reach and compare again. That is what I am doing here. So you don't need to go till n minus 1. So now for loop again, int j is equal to, it will start from 0 again. J will be less than n minus 1 minus I. Why I am writing I? Because I said you, I am preventing this step, right? It is already sorted. It is already this one is already sorted, right? 6 and 10 are already sorted. You don't need to print this again. Compare these 5 and 6. So in order to prevent that, I am writing I. So if you don't write I, what will happen? Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Again, it may increase, right? Time complexity may increase. So that is what that can happen. So if ARR of j, if it is greater than ARR of j plus 1, right? You need to swap. SWAP swap ARR of j, then ARR of j plus 1. You need to swap. So if the first element is greater than the second element, you need to swap. Then you need to return the the vector. Let me run this, whether it will work or not. Let me check. So it is it is working. So let me submit it. Let's see whether it will work or not. Again, it will work or it will give time complexity. Yeah, runtime error I'm getting. Please optimize your code. Submit again. Time limit exceeded. That is what I said. That is what I said. So bubble sort will take big O of n square. So you can write other coding technique. Like as I already said, bucket sort. There are many sorting techniques are there. So you can look up my channel. I would be covering the playlist. I have already made a playlist on this sorting techniques. So you can visit there and you can see, right? There you can see. Now my objective is what I need to sort this. So let me use normal STL now. Is what is sort, then ARR dot begin. So I think you will realize from this how this HTL is so much important, right? So it can reduce your code like anything. So 2 line, that's it. Sorry, only single line I have written. So everything is over within a single line. Again, compile, submit. Let me submit. So again, I'm getting error. Why? Answer in ARR I should return. So error. Let me submit. So this is about the sorting the array. So if you want to know like all the things about the sorting techniques, you can visit my channel. I have a playlist there. You can see those videos. I have covered all the 10. I think I will be covering 10 all the 10 videos, all the 10 sorting techniques. So thank you.